Good morning, children. Now today again back to our class, GK class. So last time we have done with you the page 14 and 15, the tourist attraction. I think you have written the name of the places. First one is Munnar. Please correct it with me. First one is Munnar in Kerala. Walking on a frozen river, that is Chadar Trek, Ladakh. The third one, paradise on earth, is Kashmir. Fourth is paragliding in Himachal Pradesh, where it happens is in Manali. Spectacular lake at the height of 4,350, Pangong Lake in Ladakh. Sixth is camel safari, desert of Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Scuba diving and exploring the coral reefs, which is in Andaman. The place is Havelock Island. It is very beautiful place. Wonderful experience in the largest salt desert, that is Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. A Nilgiri range of mountains in Tamil Nadu. The place is Kodaikanal. Now 10th is Valley of Flowers in Sikkim, Yumthang Valley. 11th, in Himachal Pradesh, Switzerland's topographies. It is known for Switzerland's topographies in Himachal Pradesh, that is Khajjar. So I think children you have written this. Now next is page 16. What you have to do in page 16, the change maker, those who have done something, famous personalities who have done something in their life in different field. So first one is Connie. She became a grandmaster in chess at the age of 15. Only when she was 15 years old, she became the grandmaster. And what is it? Who was it? That Koniru Hampi. Koniru Hampi, first one. Second one, he is called the poor man's doctor. He is famous for his noble service as a doctor. He is known as poor man's doctor. Who is he? He is the Dr. Devi Shetty. Third number, who she has dedicated her life to social work. Who is she? She is Sudha Murthy. Fourth one, he directed a movie on the life of Milkha Singh, Rakesh Omprakash Mehra. Fifth one is, he is famous chef who has inspired many to take up this profession. That is Sanjeev Kapoor. He is called the Metro Man, E. Sridharan. Who is he? E. Sridharan. E. Sridharan. Source now 17. Source of a river is a place from where the water in the river originates. A river travels from its source in the mountains or other highland areas to the sea. So you have to write down the names. The hint is given here. The clues are given. Now you have to write down the name. Page 17. The river flows through Tibet, Assam and Bangladesh. It has its source in a great glacier in the Kailash range of the Himalayas at a height of 5,150 meters. Which river is this? This is Brahmaputra. Number one, it is Brahmaputra. Second one, this holy river of India has its source in Gangotri Glacier. In Gangotri Glacier, that is Ganga. Which river? Ganga. Third one, Hiran and Tawa are the tributaries of this west-flowing river. It flows to the west. It has its source in the plateau of Amarkantak. Plateau of Amarkantak. Which river is it? Narmada, whose tributaries is Hiran and Tawa. And this river is Narmada. The name of the country derived from the name of this river. It has its source near Mansarovar Lake at a height of 5,180 meters. The name of our country is derived from the name of this river. It has its source near Mansarovar Lake at a height of 5,180 meters. And it is called Indus. Which river? It is Indus. Purna is a tributary of this west-flowing river. It has its source in the sacred tank of Multai in the Satpura Plateau. Which river is this? This is Tapi River. It is one of the 5 rivers that flow through the state of Punjab. Punjab is the 5 rivers were made. That's why it is known as Punjab. So you have to name one river which flows through it. It has its source near Rohtang Pass at a height of 4,062 meters. Which river is this? This is river Byas. And the page number 18 is, do you know these famous personalities? Write their names and their professions. Choose from the boxes. Shreya Ghoshal, first number is Shreya Ghoshal, singer. Second is Anish Kapoor, sculptor. Priyanka Chopra, third is Priyanka Chopra, actor. Fourth is Jatin Das, painter. Fifth is Vikas Khanna, chef. Sixth is Geeta Chandran, dancer. So you have to write all these. These are the famous personalities. You have to write the name of the personalities which I told you and their professions also. Is it clear? So children, you will complete this page number 16, 17 and 18. Till then, take care and have a good day.